How's it going, YouTube? We finally did it, guys. We crossed 100 subscribers. I've only had this channel for well, since I was probably 11 years old. And I finally got 100 subscribers. Wow. Thank you guys for your support. It means a lot to me. And I'm excited for the future of this channel and all the fun things that we can talk about. Today I'm going to share with you guys my famous bread recipe. It's called Derek's Famous Bread. It has been called that in my family. It's really just a baguette recipe that I found on YouTube. From a French guy, you know it's authentic.
If I tell you that you could enjoy homemade fresh baguettes for breakfast in just 5 minutes of work, would you believe me?
But I think that I make it even easier than he did. It's called 5 minutes because that's like total prep time. Of course, when you actually cook it and all that, and waiting for it to proof and all that, it takes time. But it's only 5 minutes of actual work. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to do it.
Four, 7.5 grams of flour, 8 grams of salt, 2 grams of yeast, 365 milliliters of water. Mix, no need to knead the dough cover, and let rise on counter for a few hours or overnight in the fridge. Preheat oven to 590F. Grease your baking sheet and split the dough into 2 long pieces. Bake for 20 minutes and enjoy.
Hope you guys enjoy the bread if you make it. I encourage you to make it. I mean, just get some flour, yeast, salt, water, get a digital scale, get a mixing bowl, get a baking sheet, get an oven. Okay, when I actually say all the things that are required, it sounds like a lot of work, but I promise you, it's not that bad, and you will get a good return on your time investment. Trust me. All right, my favorite min-maxing meme lords. I'll see you next time.